Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Dr. Ruchi Shirudkar. I have a pediatric practice in Pune, and I'm a director of an organization which is called as Pediatry Children at Their Fittest. I am here discussing various drugs that we use in pediatric practice, and the drug that we are going to discuss today is Baraita Carb. Okay, so this is very, very oftenly used in pediatric practice. It is also used it can be used in various ages, but I am here talking about its usefulness in pediatric practice. Okay, so how will you identify a child, whether the child is calcarea or Baraita? So the case taking starts when the child is waiting outside and when the child enters. So the Baraita Carb children are very, very timid, bashful, a lot of awkwardness. So when they come inside your cabin, they are usually hiding behind the mother, So either they will hide behind the mother or they will hide inside the table, they will go inside so that you cannot see them. Or they will cover their face like this, and between the gaps of the fingers, they will try to see like this, You can see these observations when you are in the clinic. So they would first hide. The first word of caution that I would like to give here is every child who hides is not Baraita. There are some children who will hide. In my clinic, I have observed they will hide first and they will slightly peep outside and again they will hide. So what they are doing over here, they're kind of playing a game of peekaboo, of hide and seek. So there we take playing desire to play hide and seek. Right? So if you consistently see that the child is hiding and not coming in front and shy and timid, this is the drug that you need to think of. Okay. And what else? So if you see the development of Baraita children, what is the problem in Baraita children is ailments from overprotection in childhood. Overprotection, parental protection excessive. There are only 3 drugs. So when the mother is talking, you can make it out, that the mother is very, very protective about the child. You can understand the way the mother is talking, I had a mother who used to come and say, कि आज मेरा बच्चा ऐसे पैर हिला रहा था या he was walking like this. Is it not a problem? They would not like their children to fall. So any mother or any parent who's very, very protective about the children, you can think of only 3 drugs, that is Baraita Carb, Calcarea Carb, and Silica. This way your everything narrows down to few drugs if you start understanding the way mother talks, also the way the child enters. So it is not ailments from domination the way we see in carcinosin. This is overprotection of mother. So the child is so overprotected that all the milestones of the children are delayed. They become timid, they become bashful, they're always dependent. Even our Baraita Carb adult is very dependent by nature. They are not very independent individuals. So now start studying all the rubrics of Baraita Carb from this angle. This is the base of Baraita Carb, right? There's a rubric spineless, which Baraita Carb covers, even Silica covers, so they are always, spine is the part of the body which supports our body. So they are always dependent on others, independence, lack of dependency. So once you understand how the Baraita Carb, builds, you will be able to understand all the rubrics of Baraita Carb. So basically, if you see Baraita Carb, they are weak in studies. If any question anywhere you can ask, they are weak in studies. They take a lot of time to learn. They are late learning to walk, late learning to talk. They have a problem in reading inability in children. They have a problem in memorizing. So many of the children who come with these complaints, not all the children, can be think of Baraita Carb as a remedy. When you see that there is overprotection, there is, there's a lot of care that the mother is doing and the child is very timid and bashful, you should think of Baraita Carb. So they have learning difficulties, they have memory difficulties. There is a rubric that if you keep teaching Baraita Carb one thing again and again, they cannot be taught, They forget the things that have been just taught. For example, the mother would complain, यार मैं इसको एक ही बात 10 बार समझाती हूँ, एक क्वेश्चन डिक्टेशन में 10 बार लेती हूँ, फिर 11वीं बार लेती हूँ, उसको आता नहीं है. मतलब you would see the frustration of the mother कि यार मैं चिढ़ जाती हूँ कि इसको समझ क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. Why the child is not able to understand. So that is the difficulty that the Baraita Carb children face. And the mother would say there are some singular very nice rubrics of Baraita Carb. memory weakness of mental exertion for children cannot be taught. उनको आप पढ़ा नहीं पाते हो. मेमोरी वीकनेस लर्न फॉर जस्ट व्हाट ही हैज. मतलब आपने अभी पढ़ाया और आप 10 मिनट बाद पूछो तो बोलते हैं नहीं आता, नहीं याद आ रहा. यू नो देयर आर पेरेंट्स हु कम विद दीज कंप्लेंट्स, यू नो कि यार इसको हम कितना भी पढ़ा ले, मैं 1 घंटा समझा रही हूँ उसको, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद बोलता है कि मुझे नहीं याद है. Right? So, will none of his own, that is a rubric that we have not used, but it is very, इनकी खुद अपनी मोटिवेशन विल ड्राइव नहीं होती. इनको खुद नहीं लग रहा होता कि मुझे पढ़ना है. इवन अडल्ट्स, यू नो, they don't have that drive. They are very narrow minded people, you know. जो चल रहा है अच्छा है. They don't have कि ambition loss of में बराइटा काब है. They really don't have that kind of zeal or ambition or desire to achieve. So will loss of में बराइटा काब है. नन ऑफ हिज ओन, मतलब अपनी कोई विल नहीं है, अपनी कोई डिजायर या एम्बिशन नहीं है. Right? So I have explained how the child would enter, what is the background that you will have, and what you will see in these children when mother talk about. So these are the children who are not very confident, you know, when timid, bashful, awkward, drops things. मतलब आप हाथ में लेंगे कुछ गिरा देंगे बच्चे. मम्मी कहती हैं कि, you know, if you ask the child, you tell your complaints, you will see that child is very conscious and awkward and timid, and the mother will say कि ये नहीं बता पाएगा, you know, I will only tell. Otherwise कई बार 10 years के 12 years के बच्चे जो आते हैं, they talk very confidently and they know what the problem there, but you will see Baraita Ka will not be able to, and the mother would usually tell his complaints. If they are not hiding also, you can give Baraita Ka. It is not necessary that every child who hides is Baraita Ka, और ये छुपा नहीं तो Baraita Ka हम नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. Right? So how will you see timid, bashful, hiding, not very good learners, not very intelligent, difficulty in memorizing? They will cling to mothers. But one thing is very peculiar about Baraita Ka is they are tidy in their appearance. Appearance would be tidy. Proper too has Baraita Ka. We only have those, you know, fixed images and we say, okay, this is Baraita. No, you can see Baraita Ka in various other forms also. They will either cling to the mother or they will cling to the furniture, or if you asked, अभी बच्चे का environment क्या होता है? Family, school, you know, and friends. So when we take a pediatric case, you have to explore these angles only, or कि भाई बाकी friends. So Baraita Ka children do not have lot of friends, you know, because of their timidity, because of their dwarfishness of, you know, sometimes बच्चे बोलते हैं यार इसको समझा रहे हैं, खेल ही नहीं रहा, ये rules ही नहीं follow कर रहा, इसको समझता ही नहीं है तो हम नहीं खिलाते. So Baraita Ka children do not have lot of friends, you know. Baraita Ka में एक rubric है that delusion the friend is dying, or anxiety that the friend is dying, a close friend. वो क्यों है? Because उनके 1-2 ही friends होते हैं and they are dependent on them. So they always have that insecurity to lose that close friends. They even have that insecurity of losing people whom they are dependent on. Dependency किसी पे भी हो सकती है, you know, father, mother, grandmother, grandparents, friend, anybody. So these are dependent individuals. So they have fear of losing people on whom they are dependent. Are you all getting what I'm trying to say? And when this feeling builds on that, you know, I am dependent, and they will have that fear that she is laughed and mocked up. मेरे पास एक बच्ची, of all the people I have given Baraita Ka, there is only one child who actually said, the mother said she doesn't talk to a lot of children, she doesn't have a lot of friends. I said, asked why? सब मुझ पे हंसते हैं. So that is the main delusion behind that timidity of Baraita Ka. You know, they have this delusion that she's laughed and mocked at being. सब मेरा मजाक बना रहे हैं, सब मेरे पे हंस रहे हैं. So that delusion makes her all the more timid and bashful and secretive and hiding, because that confidence is not there. अगर मुझे as a child लगे कि you know कि सब मेरे पे हंस रहे हैं, तो will I get that confidence to go and talk to people? No. And imagine with that dwarfishness of the mind, कि जहाँ आपकी एक इनकेपेबिलिटी है, यहाँ जहाँ आप स्लो लर्नर हो, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा और आपको लगता हो कि बच्चे मेरे पे हंस रहे हैं, तो हाउ what kind of personality would become, you know. And internally they get disgust also. Disgust is a hatred. So there is a rubric: disgust oneself, no courage to live with oneself, you know. So they start feeling bad about themselves. There is that confidence which is low. They feel that, you know, there is a rubric that walking on knees. Delusion, walk on knees. Or delusion, legs cut off. What does that mean? Legs, the way I said spineless, in the same way legs give you support and you are able to walk. तो they feel, छोटा बच्चा होता है वो क्या करता है, जब पहले क्रॉल करता है और कोई भी उसको गोदी में, अगर उसको इधर से उधर जाना है और वो नहीं जा पा रहा क्रॉलिंग की वजह से, तो कोई भी अडल्ट आता है और उसको गोदी में उठा के ले जाता है, राइट. सो द सेम वे द बराइटा फील्स दैट दे आर स्टिल वॉकिंग ऑन नीज. दे नीड दैट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एन अडल्ट or someone, from a wife or from a husband, to do things. So those, ये जो दो rubrics हैं उनका ऐसा मीनिंग है कि delusion legs cut off और delusion walking knees on walk, because you don't walk on your knees, you walk on your legs, right. And बराइटा काब इज ऑल्सो यूज. अगर कैंट को आप पढ़ें बराइटा काब को लेके, तो बराइटा काब इज ऑल्सो यूज वेयर वन ऑर्गन इज नॉट डेवलप्ड इन चिल्ड्रन, यू नो, द इल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ किडनीज, pathological cases where neonatal आते हैं, there also you can use Baraita Kaab. Baraita Kaab is oftenly used in dyslexic, autistic, you know, learning disability disorders. But again, every dyslexic child is not Baraita Kaab. You can give Bufo, you can give any other Calcarea Kaab or any other Lycopodium. It is a remedy to be thought of if the background matches, if the totality matches. You can think of Baraita Kaab. So if you see singular rubrics of Baraita Kaab, you will see absent-minded children in school children. Even in clinic, when you are, you know, bacha baitha hai and you suddenly ask a question, yeah, tell me about yourself, you will see that the child is not observant, you know. So there is a rubric which is unobservant, you know. We have seen in phosphorus how alert they are. In my recent Zoom session, I have shown a video of a 10-month-old baby suffering from atopic dermatitis, where the child was observing every movement of mine. I dropped a pen and the child was observing. I moved and the child was observing. So Baraita Kaab children are not observant. They are unobservant. They don't know what is going on. They are lost. Absent-minded teachers will complain कि यार स्कूल में when we are teaching he is lost, you know, he's not here. So absent mindedness, you are absent from the present which is going on, right? In schools we have seen children who are not very attentive, so you can think of Baraita Kaab. So I have discussed that they are timid, they feel that they are laughed, the people are laughing on them, so they hide, they don't want to come in forward. So क्या बराइटा काब बच्चे को गुस्सा नहीं आता है, या बराइटा काब वायलेंट नहीं हो सकता है? हो सकता है. तो बराइटा काब का गुस्सा कैसा होता है कि बराइटा काब हैज सडन फिट्स ऑफ एंगर बिकॉज ऑफ कॉवर्डिस नेचर ऑफ देम, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर टिमिडिटी. I am timid by nature and I am bashful and I don't have that confidence to go outside and talk, and if someone push me, तो मेरा क्या reaction होगा? I can become angry, I can become violent. They can have that sudden spurt of anger, you know, मुझे नहीं करना है. You can see that more in adults or even in kids if parents try to push them a lot, right? So there is a rubric which is very interesting, which I learned now when I was preparing for this Baraita Kaab, was cowardice, anger with sudden fits of. And then when you try to go behind this rubric, you understand why the Baraita have that sudden fit of anger, because of their cowardice nature, because of their inability to express what they want, because of their timidity, because of their low self-confidence, you know. Yeah, so even one more rubric we have like this: anger, sudden cowardice with. Make a note of these rubrics. They are very, very important. Otherwise, you'll see, अरे ये तो गुस्सा आ रहा है. This is not a Baraita. Baraita is timid. Baraita को भी गुस्सा आता है. Baraita can also be violent. But when the Baraita with violent, जब आप उसको push करेंगे, जब उसको अपने cowardice की वजह से उसको गुस्सा आता है, वो कर नहीं सकता है, इसलिए वो अपना it is like an overcompensation of the things that you are not able to do. If I have timidity and I'm pushing someone, go on stage, and nahi jana yaar mujhe, things like that. So there you can pick Baraita in adults also. Baraita ka children as well as adults are very narrow minded people. I was reading about it, and I realized that they can be, it is not that they are unsuccessful in life, they can be at a successful post, but they don't have that ambition or zeal to go ahead. जो चल रहा है ना, it is nice, इतनी ही सोच रहती है, इतना ही करना है. They cannot do lot of things at one go. So they have a narrow mindedness. एक typical approach, इतना ही कर रहे हैं, 9 to 5 जॉब कर रहे हैं ना, बहुत है. I really don't want to do something extra. जा रहे हैं ना क्लिनिक, जितने पेशेंट आ रहे हैं अच्छा है. That kind of an attitude. I am happy and jitne patient aa rahe, you will not see that hard work or zeal to do more and to learn more. Jo chal raha hai acha hai aise. But Baraita Kaab is not in content. So why this attitude is because of that lack of business, business aversion to, or the lack of will, no sense of will he has for his own. Because of that Baraita Kaab hai. So basic fear क्या है? Fear of strangers, fear of unfamiliar things, hiding from strangers, timidity from strangers. Stranger is something which is not known, मैं इसको नहीं जानती हूँ, ये मेरे लिए स्ट्रेंजर है. तो बराइटा का प्रॉब्लम स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ है. बराइटा कुछ भी नया काम करने के लिए, फियर अंडरटेकिंग न्यू थिंग्स में बराइटा है. परसिवरिंग इन नथिंग, परसिस्टिंग इन नथिंग. मतलब मैंने आज डांस क्लास लगाई, पहले तो मुझे लगाने में बराइटा है, मुझे नहीं लगाना है, मुझे नहीं जाना है. आप एक बार पुश करो बच्चे को कि यार तू कर, यू विल बी एबल टू डू. फिर थोड़े दिन बाद मुझे नहीं करना है डांस, मुझे नहीं इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, तो दे डोंट persist in anything. कि अभी भरतनाट्यम क्लास लगाई है तो 4 साल लग के भरतनाट्यम सीख रहा है. बराइटा का बच्चा नहीं सीखता ऐसे. They don't persist, they don't have that zeal, they don't have that MWD, motivation, will and drive to learn new things. तो बराइटा हमेशा डिपेंडेंट रहेगा और उसको हमेशा ये डर रहेगा to lose the people whom they are dependent on, right? ठीक है. Anything else that we need to add? So what they would want, they want a familiar surroundings, people who are known, parents, grandparents. जो नहीं जानते, जो strangers हैं, वो उनको नहीं चाहिए. Fear रहता है उनको. Okay. So it is also used in old age, muttering in sleep, old age in, imbecility, old age in, memory loss of old age in. कहते हैं हम कि जो बुढ़ापा है वो एक दूसरा बचपना है, तो childish behavior, old age in, so that all we can think of Baraita Kaab very strongly. और एक बात, Baraita Kaab is one of those drug who has बच्चे mostly play करना चाहते हैं. वी हैव डिस्कस बेलेडोना का प्ले, लैकेसिस का प्ले. बेलेडोना इतना प्लेनफुल होता है कि वो एक बाजू में ये रखा है तो इससे भी खेल सकता है, या पानी से भी खेल सकता है, या हैंकी से भी खेल सकता है. इतना प्लेफुलनेस है बेलेडोना में. बट बराइटा में प्लेइंग अवर्जन टू प्ले है. दे वुड रादर सिट इन द कॉर्नर देन प्ले. तो अगर आप पार्क में देखोगे कि 10 बच्चे खेल रहे हैं और एक बच्चा साइड में बैठ के सिर्फ देख रहा है, एंड यू से व्हाई डोंट यू प्ले? नो आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले. These are Baraita Kaab, timid, lack of confidence, who doesn't want to play, that is why they don't have friends, and that is why they have a fear of losing a friend, because वो एक आधा ही friend रहता है जिस पे वो dependent है, and they don't want to lose those friends, right? So उनको क्या mainly Baraita का delusion क्या रहेगा कि they are laughed at, they are criticized, they are abused, yeah, they are not confident about their body also. Delusion, body, ugly looks, body looks. And there is a very peculiar delusion of Baraita that the mame are too small or too big. उससे भी उनका confidence, females में कम होने लगता है. Someone was asking about Baraita female. So they have that delusion in their mind that, because my breasts are very small, so they feel low in confidence. ये भी delusion है Baraita में. So they have very low confidence about their body also. उसको लगता है कि आई एम नॉट लव्ड, आई एम फोरसेकन, आई एम फॉरगेटफुल, माई फैक्ट भी है और उसका ये डिल्यूजन भी है, उसके दिमाग में बैठ जाता है कि दे आर they are forgetful by nature. And Varaita always feel that people are looking at me, so everybody is looking. That is why they become more conscious about it, that people are looking at me, people are talking about me, watched she is being, कि सब बच्चे मुझे ही देख रहे थे या वो लोग मेरे पे हंस रहे थे. Maybe they are not, maybe there's a group of people, children who are laughing on their own, but इसको बराइटा को लगता है कि they are laughing at him. जब हम ये रूब्रिक्स पढ़ते हैं तो हमें बड़ा ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देम इन द लोकल लैंग्वेज. अभी अगर हम जस्ट बनाए बराइटा का, तो बराइटा कैसे आएगा अपने क्लिनिक में? ऑकवर्ड आएगा, टिमिड आएगा, बैशफुल आएगा, छुप जाएगा, या वेरी लो इन कॉन्फिडेंस, या फिर देर इज ऑल्सो रूब्रिक हाइडिंग बिहाइंड मदर. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, जब वो आके मदर बैठती है उनके पीछे चेयर में जाके छुप जाते हैं. हाँ, तो that is the Baraita. And when you start talking to mother, you will understand how protected mother is, how so much of protection mother has given. So that she will be constantly, yahan mat khel, gir jaoge, sit down, and half of the attention of the mother would be on the child, ki child ko theek hai na. So in that 5-10 minutes also you can understand Baraita. And what will be the complaints of mother? He is very weak in studies, I have to teach him so many times, but you do not get the full picture of Baraita in one child. So again and again I always tell, it is the question of evaluation. You have to understand when the child comes and hides, what is the बिहाइंड इट. वो खेल कर रहा है क्या, वो प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक कर रहा है, या टिमिडिटी की वजह से हाइड कर रहा है, या वो डर रहा है स्ट्रेंजर की वजह से. आपके पास लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एंटर इनटू योर क्लिनिक एंड you understand that they are scared. There you have to understand what they are scared of. Are they scared of a stranger, or are they, as is in Baraita, or are they scared of that injection? और मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं नहीं यार ये होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर हैं, ये इंजेक्शन नहीं देते हैं. मामा पापा आर गिविंग दैट कंसोलेशन टू द चाइल्ड एंड द चाइल्ड इज स्टिल स्केर्ड. तो उसको वो हायोसाइमस भी हो सकता है क्योंकि उसको फियर बिट्रेड है, कहीं इंजेक्शन ना लगा दे. स्ट्रेमोनियम भी हो सकता है, पर स्ट्रेमोनियम का क्या होता है, जब वो डर में आता है दे श्रीक. देयर इज अ रूब्रिक इन स्ट्रेमोनियम. I have given to so many children with this rubric. बच्चे मम्मी पापा की गोदी में होते हैं, वो जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे होते हैं and they are मतलब क्या, they want to go outside the cabin, they want to escape from this situation. So escape desire to shrieking with. This is a very very important rubric of stramonium. I have given to so many children and I have successfully treated with this symptom, where the child wants to escape and go out of this room and they are shrieking. Why? Because they have that stramonium में fear injury का injection ना लग जाए, इसका डर है. लाइकोपोडियम में fear entering room है. Are you understanding? बहुत सारे बच्चे डर के आ सकते हैं, या बहुत सारे बच्चे मन में डर हो सकता है और दिखाते नहीं नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं लगता, आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. एंड आप मजाक में बोलो ठीक है मैं इंजेक्शन लगाती हूँ. नो 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 नो, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज अफेक्टेशन चिल्ड्रन इन. सो एवरी gesture, every movement, every small thing tells so much about children, especially. And more than words, their gestures, their eyes, where they are looking, what they are interested in the clinic. So you can keep small things, a cartoon character ka kuch you can keep, or toys or toffees, and then you understand the child, what the child is trying to do. So we have studied Baraita ka in detail. There are some more rubrics. There is mother fixation, because they are dependent on mothers, and they have a tendency to nibble. Nibble क्या होता है, एक बार में खाना नहीं खाते, थोड़ा खाते हैं. We have someone is asking what is the differentiation between Calcarea carb and Baraita carb. We have discussed Calcarea carb also. See, Calcarea carb का problem ये नहीं रहता कि वो इनकेपेबल है. बराइटा काब एक तरीके से डॉर्फिशनेस है मेंटली एंड फिजिकली मतलब ऑल दीज माइलस्टोन्स, एंड मेंटली मतलब ही हैज दैट इनएबिलिटी, राइट. कैलकेरिया को इनएबिलिटी नहीं रहती है. Are you understanding? Baraita is also present in spoiled children. You know, spoiled children मतलब इतना प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है, जैसे बोलते हैं ना बिगड़ गया लाड़ प्यार में, that is spoiled. This is also a very important. Moschus I have prescribed once for this rubric, spoiled children. Yes. So where were we? So a lot of problems in learning disability and this timidity and the weakness of memory and that will that is lacking in Baraita. Okay, so last 5 to 10 minutes, it's been 30-45 minutes, so last 5 to 10 minutes we'll take some queries and then we can just end this live session. So there are various drugs that we have discussed till now. We have discussed Lycopodium, Calcarea, difference between some small rubrics, Agaricus we have discussed. So you can go on, make the note of these rubrics, try to understand. If you have any difficulty, you can go back or come back to me and we can try to solve as much as I know and we can read about it. Yeah, so any queries for another last 5 minutes? I had taken one Zoom session earlier and it turned out very, very good. We had almost 30-35 participants in that. I'm planning one more, which is on 19th of September in the afternoon, 3 to 5. And that is a Saturday. And we are charging a minimum 200 rupees for that session. So whoever wants to register can contact me. I'll drop my number below this. And the topic for that Zoom session is 50 important rubrics of pediatric practice. So whatever I have learned in these 15-16 years of my practice and reading, probably we can find a little way of small rubrics where we can pick up drugs which we sometimes miss. So maybe बहुत सारे rubrics आपको पता भी हों, but sometimes we are just not able to pick them, right? So any other questions that we have over here? So one was asking me what is the lady. So one delusion I have told you about lady, and you will see ladies also, they have anxiety about trifles, anxiety or worrying about domestic chores, household chores, क्योंकि वही उनके लिए बहुत है, you know. तो that kind. और बाकी पिक्चर वैसा का वैसा ही रहता है, whether lady हो, adult हो, बच्चा हो. तो आप बेसिक देखेंगे कि you know उनके लिए डे कर लेना ही बहुत है. They have fear, opinion of others, what others are saying, whether others are looking at me, whether they are watching me or talking about me. You know, ladies also have this problem. You know, people are talking about me, they are looking at me. How do we differentiate Baraita and Bufo? Okay, Bufo में children, I have given to one children. I have वो जयपुर का पेशेंट था and they had come all the way to Pune. That I will discuss that case if you want to ask me about Bufo. Bufo में in children sexual desire बहुत high रहती है. तो वो जो बच्चा था ना, he had ADHD, autism, फेशियल डिस्मॉर्फिज्म, कंडक्ट डिसऑर्डर, ऐसे कुछ 5-6 डायग्नोसिस थे और वो बच्चा था कुछ 8-9 साल का. एंड दैट चाइल्ड वाज यू नो was not able to talk. He was 8-9 years. He was able to walk, but that emotional development and speech development and everything was not there. So but that one thing was, he was going to a special school and their mother said, you know, he is masturbating sometime or he's interested in girls' private parts and all that. So जो sexual desire बुफो बच्चों में रहती है ना, वो बहुत high रहती है. बुफो बच्चों के लिए बोलते हैं shamelessness रहती है, वो कहीं भी शुरू हो जाएंगे, you know, without knowing. So that is very, very characteristic of Bufo. You need to have that. That child I gave Bufo and he responded very, very beautifully. You know, his speech was developed, and next time, you know, after say 2-3 months only, I had given Bufo 30 diya tha, then I gave 200. After some days, those activities completely stopped. He stopped masturbating and he stopped, you know, asking girls to show their private parts in that special school. उस school की principal ने भी मुझसे बात की, and that was the major concern that they were having. You know, he's troubling the girls like this. So that child responded very nice with Buffo. Yeah. So next video उन्होंने भेजा था मुझे, वो the child was singing Jana Gana Mana Pura, and that was very very nice, you know, to see a child who didn't had any speech and after 3 months he is able to sing Jana Mana Mana. Yeah. So that is Buffo, and there is so much more to Buffo also, but I'm just telling one angle where I have prescribed because that only strikes me as of now. Okay, anything else? Yeah, so we are planning to take such remedies and we are planning to differentiate it with other remedies, and side by side we are, because we cannot show private videos of patient on Facebook, so at the same time I'm trying to conduct these small Zoom sessions. Probably we did this, we'll be doing 2 this month, but I'm planning to do once a month at least, so that we, you know, we can keep it with, so and that we are all planning to do. So thank you, and it's been always great to have you, see you live, asking so many questions, learning. Some people asked me about that 50 LM potency. I have shared video or books about that in one of my group that we have of WhatsApp group of pediatric homeopathic learners, where we discuss pediatric cases. So yeah, so thank you all. It was wonderful having you, and we are growing. We are 1,800 in our group, and the idea is only and only to promote homeopathy. Learn. I can also learn from you. So if you have something which is very interesting and you want to present, please come ahead. Thank you.